Consequences are most effective when they are timely. Oh my gosh, this one is huge. You know, administrators really struggle with this one because if like we said yesterday, if you send everything to the administrator or the dean, you send all your tier 1s and even your minor tier 2s, whatever, they get bogged down in that, and before you know it, by the time they see the kid they really needed to see, the kid doesn't know what they did anymore. It's been 4 days, and now they've committed 3 more things. So to me, timing is everything. And I will say to a child, hey, listen, you know what? This morning's behavior was really terrible. It was terrible. I mean, no matter what we did, you just kept yelling and kept yelling and kept yelling. So here's what you're going to do for lunch today. Today, you're going to have 10 minutes of your lunch is going to be with me so we can have a discussion. And then you can go to the cafeteria. Today. I realize we have to give kids 24 hours notice for detentions and things like that, but during the day, you don't have to do that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.